All right, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. As you can kind of see by the picture right here, this is the Klein Tools Tradesman Pro Organizer. It's the tool pouch apron, 32-inch to 53-inch. You can't really see it, so I'm going to really just open it up. I don't know why I said really. So we're going to open this up real quick. Hopefully, I'm thinking it might be a little bit too big for me. I'm not sure, just because I'm a smaller, thinner, anorexic electrician than most. So anyways, here we go. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought. So let me just grab a tool off the wall really quickly to assist me with the little zip tie right here. So there's that. Got the beefy buckle right there. That's ginormo. This is for the tape right here, like a little belt to hold rolls of tape. I'm gonna have to cut some more zip ties here real quick. Right there and right there. So that was holding the cover on. And so this is what it looks like. Well, you probably can't even really see it. So it's got the nice little badge right there. That looks really nice. And it actually is giant. So I should have zoomed out on this a little bit, but sorry for all the noises. So this is what it looks like right here. That's it right there. You got the belt right here. I'm going to show you. I'm going to put it on here in a second. But these pouches are actually really huge. So let's just flip the camera here real quick, and I'll show you guys what it looks like as I put it on. So let's do that really quickly. All right, so I do have the little wireless microphone on right now, so I'm going to try not to bump that. But anyways, let's go ahead and try this guy on. So actually looks about the same size. It's not too much wider than the one that I'm currently using, but the tricky part is going to be seeing it. I don't even know what that's for. There's something in the back. I'm going to see if this will even fit me in the first place. So got the adjustment strap right here, hoping that will just work. It doesn't. Trying to just pull that tighter really quickly. Figuring this out as we go. As most adjustment straps go, they're very annoying. So, all right. So what I'm currently doing is just taking the flap out because nothing is wanting to move. So I just pulled the top flap out of here, and now it should actually do something. So really confusing and annoying. See, this is how it's supposed to work in the first place. So you're tightening this up and making the strap longer to make it shorter. All right, so now we have the strap shorter and the tail is longer. So let's go ahead and put that on. Still kind of big, kind of running out of room, getting concerned. I only have like 7 more inches to go. So I'm gonna pull that again, if this will move again. Okay, so let's just put the clip basically at the end of the belt, so there's not much else I can do if this doesn't work. It looks like, I think it's just going to fit. So look at that, right across the back. I just have to feed this tail back through, and then I'll probably have to cut some of that off if I keep it. Although I don't really want to do that because then it might come unraveled. But anyways, this is what it looks like. I got some giant pouches. They have like little flat bottoms right here, so you can actually stick your hand in here, which is really nice. Obviously, these are my first impressions because I've never touched it before. These back pockets, ooh, snack pack, nice. So I really don't like these back pockets. Are pretty useless. These are worse than the pockets that I have now on my Carhartt tool apron. So these back pockets are pretty useless back here unless you're just putting like some really tall tools in there. They're really thin, so these pockets are pretty much useless. So you're probably going to be putting most of your tools, you know, like put your knife on the outside, put some other tools in here. Let's see what we got. You got your strippers, throw some strippers in there. Got some more diagonal cutters, put some more diagonal cutters in there. So there's a lot of room to grab your tools out, which is really nice. Let me just grab a few more tools off the wall here real quick. Maybe some screwdrivers. Yeah, you know, maybe a tape measure. Who knows? Who knows what you'll need? just throw some screwdrivers in there, maybe a tape measure over here, another screwdriver over there, or maybe in the back pocket. So anyways, it looks like you can grab stuff really, really easily, which is really nice. No big deal. So I really like that these pockets are really big right here. Once again, you have your thing right here for tape, and you have a spot over here, which is probably for a hammer. I like to put my keys over there, but also they have this little strap over here with a ring, which I have no idea what that is for, but you could also put your keys right through there nice and easily, and you can also switch that off. It's not sewed down. You can move this around, so if you want to put that on this side. But so far, I do like everything about this except for the back pockets, which are kind of pointless, I think. But it would be really nice just to put like your cell phone in here, which would be really nice. Keep it tight so it's not going to fall out, which is what I do right now on my current apron, is just put my cell phone in the back pocket and then put my tools kind of in these front two, and then the one on the right side. But these back pockets are pretty useless, I think. But maybe there's a certain reason for why it's designed like that. Not sure why. As you can see, they only have like one pair of pliers in the back, and most of their tools are in the front. So anyways, those are my first thoughts. I do really like it. Yeah, I think I probably will be keeping it. It's only like $22, so it's not bad, and the quality does look pretty nice. A little bit thinner than what you would hope for, but 20 bucks, you can't really go too bad. As long as you're not like dragging a knife across it, I think it's going to last for a while. Looks like it's made well, just not the thickest material, but I do love the ginormous open pouches, so really big fan of that. I can put a whole tape measure in here, no problem. I don't have to put it on the outside like this anymore, although it does hold that pretty well for the weight of the tape measure. But yeah, all your tools are good to go. Put a knife on the outside. Oh, look, there's another pocket over here. There's two pockets over here, so you can put like your pens or your pencils right there. So that works out nice. Although I would probably prefer it on the left side. Very, very cool. As you can tell, I don't know all the features of this, but yeah, just barely fits me with a small waist. So if you're concerned about that, don't worry. As long as you're around my size or bigger, then you won't have any problems. I think I'm a 32 waist or something like that, but who knows? Seems like I have been losing weight on the chip diet, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, this is the waist right here. Pretty thin man right here. So anyways, yeah, I think it's really nice, and I can't wait to use it. I'm going to try it out for sure, and if I don't like it, I can take it back because it's Amazon, and Amazon pretty much takes back anything. But yeah, I do think I will like this, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video. This is, once again, what it looks like if you guys want to see the inside of the pouches. Here is how deep they are right there. Got the tape measure, and then here is the little pocket right here. It does look a lot bigger, but once you put it on your body, then it really stretches out and it becomes pretty useless. But once again, got pouch right here for all your tools right here that you need. And then the pouch in the back, once again, right there. And then your tape, and then your little spot right there for your pencils and pens or whatever you want to put in there. Maybe you could put your knife right there, a little tighter section right there. That could be a good spot for a portable knife. And then once again, you have, I already said probably the tape belt right there. Looks like you have the hammer holder right there, if that's what you want to use it for, and then also the little strap right here with the metal ring on it for whatever reason that is. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully this video helped you out a little bit all over the place, but that's what you're rolling with. So you can just boom, put this on, go back to work. There you go. So hopefully that helps you out. Thanks guys for watching. As always, if you enjoyed it, drop a fat like and hit the subscribe button too. Stay tuned for more videos. I'd appreciate it. It would help out the channel, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. As always, God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Thanks guys. Peace out.